Hey everyone, today we're discussing the super exciting topic, how to make money with dropshipping. If you're ready to learn how you can start your own online business with little to no upfront cost, then keep watching, all right? Let's get right into it. Firstly, what is dropshipping? Simply put, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to keep any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you buy the product from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, and they ship it directly to the customer. Easy peasy. Now here's how. It works in 4 simple steps. First is find your niche. This is crucial. You need to choose a niche that you're passionate about, and that has good market potential. Think about trending products or items that solve a specific problem. Next, you'll select a supplier. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu are great places to start. Make sure to check their reviews and product quality. After that, you'll need to create your online store. You can easily set up your store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and offer tons of customization options to make your store stand out. And finally, market your products. Now, it's time to attract customers to your store. Use social media, influencer marketing, and paid ads to drive traffic. Facebook ads and Instagram are particularly effective for dropshipping businesses. And that's it. Once your store is live and customers start placing orders, your supplier takes care of the rest. But wait, there's more. Here are some pro tips to maximize your dropshipping success. Number 1, offer great customer service. Happy customers are repeat customers. Make sure to respond to inquiries promptly and resolve any issues quickly. Number 2, optimize your store. Use high-quality images. Write compelling product descriptions and make sure your site is mobile-friendly. Number 3, analyze and improve. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your performance and identify what's working and what's not. Constantly tweak your strategy for better results. Number 4, build a brand. Create a strong brand identity with a unique logo, consistent color scheme, and engaging content. This helps you stand out from the competition. And there you have it. Dropshipping can be a fantastic way to start an online business with minimal risk. It takes some effort and persistence, but with the right approach, you can definitely make it work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for online success. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like us to cover in our next video. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.